Your first challenge is located 1 kilometer in that direction. Go.
Your team must head to Pegasus Beach. There you will find an area marked off with yellow and black tape. Once there, you must dig to uncover a small ball buried in the sand. Once you have found your ball, you must hand it to the warden to receive your next challenge.
Your team must now head to Pegasus Lake. Located around the lake are a number of lamp posts. 11 of these lamp posts have a single letter or number attached to them in a purple circle. As a team, you must collect all 11 letters, numbers to spell out the location of your next challenge. Once you've deciphered the anagram using the letters you've collected, you must head to that location and find the purple truck to receive your next challenge.
It's a G! Yeah, you want? Mighty Mega! Woo! Let's go!
You're
Is that cheesy enough? So good.
Below is a very specific list of 15 items. Each item can be found inside Mitre 10 Mega. Your team must find each specific item and take a photo of all 15 items. The photo must include the team colour card that can be found inside your envelope. Once you've taken all 15 photos, return to the purple truck to have the photos inspected. Once they're approved by the warden, you'll receive the next challenge location. Let's go!
Fire station. Once you are there, you make your way around the back of the station to begin your next challenge. As a team, you must get dressed in full firefighter's uniform. Once your uniform is approved by the firefighter, your team will then enter the burning building and rescue Donald the dummy. But be quick, as each team will only get 5 minutes before the building burns down. Once you have rescued Donald, you will receive your next challenge.
3, 2, 1, straight away.
Teams must locate one of 11 pallets. On these pallets you will find 1 fill bucket, 1 shovel and 20 empty bags. Once you have selected a pallet, you must approach the warden to select one of 11 cards at random. Each one of the cards represents a specific material located in the bays around Rangiora Landscape Yard. As a team, you must fill your 20 empty bags to the required level and place all 20 bags back on the selected pallet. Once the warden approves the level of all 20 bags, he'll receive a next challenge.
Wow.
Jeez.
Must complete a specific sports related task.
So what have we got? Golf course, rugby and netball.
As only one team member can attempt that challenge once you've completed all 3 challenges.
Well, we're looking to get into what it is.
You must make your way back to Saints.
Good job. Come on, take them, David. Come on, get the fuck out the way.
Congratulations, team! You are team number 1! Nice, hey, well done. Well done, well done, well done. Right.